measurement and conversion. Do you know them? 1 tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons, approximately 15 milliliters. 1/8 cup is equal to 2 tablespoons, approximately 30 milliliters. 1 fluid ounce is equal to 2 tablespoons, approximately 30 milliliters. 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces is equal to 16 tablespoons, approximately 237 milliliters. 1 pint is equal to 2 cups, approximately 473 milliliters. 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, approximately 946 milliliters. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, approximately 3.8 liters. A gallon of water. A quart of orange juice. A pint of ice cream. A cup of flour.